Product of binomial by trinomial. Question we have: find the product of 2m square plus 2n square minus 3mn and 3m square minus 2n square by horizontal method. So this is first term, this is second term. So we put first term first. 2m square plus 2n square minus 3mn and into multiply 3m square minus 2n square. So let's begin. As you know, in multiplication, we have to multiply the whole term with the next whole term. So I can easily, do like that for your convenience. It means to each and every term multiply the whole term. 2m square multiply the whole term like this one, plus 2n square multiply the whole term, okay, minus 3mn multiply the whole term. I think you understand that. You got it? We have to multiply the whole term with this whole term, like 2m square multiplied by whole term, like that one, like this way, plus as it is 2n square, this whole term, okay, minus 3mn and multiply the whole term. Now let's start. 2 3 is 6. Basis same power will be at m raised to power 2, m raised to power 2, it become m raised to power 4. Okay, minus 2 2 is 4, m square n square, like that. Always remember that you cannot write m n square m square, because in you have to place always according to alphabetical order. M come first, n come after it. So you have to write 4 m square n square. This is a very important point. Okay, next one. Plus 2 3 is 6, n square m square. We don't write n square m square. We have to write m square n square. You got it? 2 2 is 4, plus minus 4. As basis same powers will be at n square, it become n4. Clear? Minus plus 3 3 is 9. M, as you know, m raised to power 1 and m raised to power 2. So 2 plus 1 become 3 and will remain same. Next, minus plus 3 2s are 6 m n raised to power q. You got it? Now we have to solve it. As we have to add and subtract from the same variables. 6 m raised to power 4. Do we have another 6 m raised to power 4? No. So this will remain same. Now next time minus 4 m square n square, and what we have here 6 m square n square, plus minus 6 minus 4 2. Sign will be of big value, 2 m square n square. You got it? Now what is left? Minus 4 m raised to power 4 minus 9 m raised to power 3 n plus 6 m raised to power 3. As you know, this is an answer. Way, 3m square minus 2n square multiply 2m square plus 2n square minus 3mn. It means you have to multiply this first term completely with the second term completely. So let's begin. 3m square will remain same. You will put like that. Second term minus 2n square, and you will put second term, trinomials in like that. So let's begin. 3 2s are 6. M raised to power 2 plus become 4, m raised to power 4, plus 3 2s are 6, m square n square, n square. I hope you is clear now. 3 3s are 9, m1, m2, m3, n will remain same. Okay, now again minus 2n square multiply the whole term. So 2 2s are 4, n raised to power 2, m raised to power 2. So m raised to power 2, n raised to power 2. Like I think you understand that, because same power will be added, but here are different, m and n. Okay, minus plus minus 2 2s are 4 n raised to power 2 plus 2 4, plus minus plus 2 3s are 6 m n raised to power 3, n2 plus n1 n3, m will remain same. Now after that you have arranged it. 6m4 plus 6mn m square n square minus 4m square n square minus 9m cube n minus plus 6mn cube minus 4 and 4. So as you know, you can solve it. 6m raised by 4 will remain same. Plus minus 6 minus 4, you got 2. 2m square n square minus 9m raised to power cube n, and plus 6m n cube minus 4 n raised to power 4 will remain same. You can check it. This answer is as it is as answer number first. Okay. So you can multiply both expressions. It's up to you. If you like to put second binomial first, then you can solve it. You got the same answer. And if you like to put trinomial first, you can also got the same answer. So this is the whole procedure of finding product of trinomial and binomial. I hope it's clear.